Hey, so Pook and I, we are at Diamond Lake. It is the middle of January of 2021. We are on the north side of Diamond Lake, and we are going to be taking this, trail. See how far we walk. Look at that. Pook found a new friend. And we're just going to walk down this ways a little bit. Try out our new boots, try out our new jackets. So we'll show you what we show you. I think this is just going to be a bunch of nice views of the lake. As we're walking along, what is this sign? There's a bench here. Large rodents in the water. Here's another view. Well, that was a quick hike down the trail. Pook wants to go to a different trail. So, yeah, we'll see if we can find a different trail. Ciao. Look at the horse stables just up the road from the Diamond Lake Lodge. Just a nice shot of the trees. Howlock Mountain Trail number 1448. Gilson Creek, 3.5 miles. Some of the horse corrals. I don't think we're going to be going down this trail. There's just too much snow. There's Pook. That was Pook walking on by. Pook is trudging ahead.
This is nice too.
It is nice out here.
Huh?
But I don't know the trail. Safety message for all you boys and girls. If you don't know where you're going in the snow, don't take off hiking down a trail.
You lost?
You can get lost and you can die. So, that's your safety message. Yay! I found the drone after I crashed it into this little mountain hemlock. Broke a propeller. Don't feel like fixing it right now, so I think we're gonna get out of here. See you later.